Let's hook you up with some gold. Literal crypto gold. What? Yep, I'm going to tell you all about it right now. Yo, what's going on? It's LJ here from LJAviles.com, and my mission is to help you successfully learn how to make money online and build wealth for you and your family. So if you're ready to join the VIP crew, then go to LJAviles.com to be a part of our global community. Yo, what's going on? It's LJ here, and if you like videos about how to make money online and build wealth for you and your family, make sure you join the VIP crew and tap the bottom right here to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you super click that bell notification so you're the first to know when I drop the next video. And if you want to know about my top recommended cryptos for you to invest in and profit with, go ahead and check out that link in the description below. I'll be glad to share them with you. But for now, we're talking about gold because there's a gold standard crypto. What? Gold standard crypto? I'm going to share my screen here. We're going to talk about a new crypto, relatively new crypto at the time of this recording, in about a week old, and it's actually literally gold standard crypto. It's a gold standard token on the Binance chain. The smartest way to passive staking, gold standard, passive dividends protocol, gold token. So you know how like there's real gold and it has a value just like the dollar. Well, now we have gold crypto. So if you like gold, you're definitely going to want to check this out. Know what I mean? So gold token, it's a deflationary token, meaning there's a limited supply. We'll get into that in a second. It pays you dividends. And there's a set the standard. We're going to set the standard for money. Wait till I show you the chart with what's going on with it. The contracts, the gold standard contracts, deflationary dividends generating protocol. Buying and holding gold means you are passively staking your tokens while receiving frictionless payments for each transaction. What does that mean? For you buying and holding gold, you're going to earn gold. They're literally giving you gold for every transaction that happens. There's a 5% fee. 2.5% is sent to you as a holder as dividends. So you're gonna 2.5% of every transaction that happens from everyone else. There's a ton happening. You earn 2.5%. Well, not you personally. You're in that bucket where you earn 2.5%, meaning they're given gold, and then they burn 2.5%, which means remove the supply. Why is that powerful? Because when there's less and less and less of a crypto, that means the value increases, and that's a huge benefit for you. When I tell you about the limited supply in a little bit, you're really going to understand the power of it. They also have a maximum amount per transaction of 500 tokens. This is great because it's going to stop some big whale coming in and buying like 2,000 tokens of gold and then just dropping at one time, which really can mess up the prices. They really limit that per transaction, which is great because it really can help stop that stuff from going on. The goal is to make each gold token to be worth at least 1 ounce of actual gold or more, maintaining a stable price floor without a price roof. So that means they want the value of gold to increase. What is the value of gold? Let's take a look. Gold right now per ounce is $1,700. How cool would it be if gold gets that high? If this gold crypto gets that high, that's what their goal is. And look, we're a week in, okay? We're a week into this crypto. I'm going to share. So here's how to buy. They actually have a buy gold right at the top, which will take you to Pancake swap. And just to show you that right there, boom, pops up. Standard gold, I understand, continue. You would connect your wallet and then boom, you could buy it with BNB. And then you can buy the whatever amount of gold that you want. So that's the power of that. That's how you buy it. So make sure you have BNB to use Pancake swap and buy it. Liquidity token pool. So there's included total supply. The initial BNB has been burned. Total supply. Here's what's great. Total supply deployed. There's only 100,000 gold standard tokens. Let me step back here and repeat that. For the people in the back, there's only 100,000 gold standard tokens. For the people in the back, 100,000. That's it. Let me give you an equivalent. Okay, Bitcoin. There's 21 million in supply and it's worth $60,000, give or take on the day, 55, 60 range. You get my point. 21 million of that. With gold, there's only 100,000. That's it. There's not going to be any more. And on top of that, okay, Bitcoin with 21 million, worth 55 to 60,000. That's it. It doesn't shrink. With every transaction of gold, there's 100,000. There's less and less and less and less and less. which means the value is going to increase even more, even more, even more. It decreases the supply because there's a 2.5% tax burnt from the total supply. So they have their phases. They're in a launch right now. They have their roadmap. They want to do NFT minting. NFT projects are huge. I actually just saw a commercial where WWE is going to have their first NFT for, I think, The Undertaker, something like that. So I need to check that out for sure. Because obviously, by the belts in the back, I'm a big wrestling fan. They're going to get, listed on CoinMarketCap. There's a lot of stuff involved with their phases, their marketing, expanded social media, NFT functionality. They want to do some charity work, which is great. That's awesome. And you follow their socials here as well. So obviously, how do you get some you click that. I left the link in the description below as well. So here's their Twitter page, gold standard. They have a growing following and everything here. They have everything there. The chart. I wanted to show you the chart. So it went live April 2nd. Okay, we're looking at April 2nd here. At, a cent, 0.0 cents, whatever. Shoots up within a few hours to $9. What? $9 in hours from, let me see this time again. When did it start? 23 by 2 a.m. 3 hours, it shoots up from less than a penny to $9. Why? Because there's only 100,000 and it's burning with every transaction. And they're giving the holders rewards with every transaction. You can see the power in this, guys. My dude, you know what I'm saying? So, of course, there's initial sell-off. It was down to like a buck. People made out good then. This is the 3rd, right? April 3rd. Shoots up April 6th, 3 days later to $40. Okay, 3 days from $1 to $40 in 3 days. Powerful. People understand and see the value. And of course, people want to sell off and take profits. Drops back down. At the time of this recording, it's hovering around that $11 mark, which means it's a really good time to reinvest in some gold. Why is it a good time to get some gold? Because they said already they want to get to the per true value gold, what it is now, which is $1,700. It already proved it went to $40 and it's at 11 now. This is really a good chance for you to get in early, get some gold, and just hold it for the long run, man. This is definitely a big opportunity. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything on this video is for information, education, and entertainment purposes. That's what we do here on this channel. But I explain what I'm doing and why I think it's a good shot. And as you know, you buy the dips, and as you can see, it's on a downtrend, so it is a dip, which my thoughts and feelings is that it probably will dip for a little bit and shoot on up soon. So now it's a good time. It's a week old, my friend, my dude. It's a week old, and it's already valued at $10, $11. It already showed proof that it can get to 40. This is just the beginning. Gold, you know the value of gold in real life. What other tokens out there are only 100,000 tokens? That's powerful. Okay, so I hope you see the value of gold. I hope you see the big potential we have with gold and why this could be really good for you. Why this could be something really potentially long-term growth. I'm big into thoughts become things, and everything I'm thinking of is growth forward. I don't think, oh man, what if it drops? No, I don't think that. Because if you put your thoughts that way, your thoughts become things. Like a race car driver goes where the eyes go, you will go where your thoughts go. You will become your thoughts. So instead of boxing yourself in and thinking of all these negative things, and because you're just trying to protect yourself, think of all the ways things could go right. And think of all the ways things could be better, and how gold is going to increase over time. Everything's there. The stars are aligning. Now is the time. I think it's a great time to get in. I'm actually going to buy some more myself because I didn't realize how much of a dip it's on right now. And yes, the coin could drop a little bit. It's natural. It's ebbs and flows. It's waves. Of course it's going to go up. But think of where it's going to be, not tomorrow. Think of where it's going to be a week from now. Think of where it's going to be a month from now. Think of where it's going to be a year from now. Would you rather get in at Bitcoin when it was $10 or $5,000? Or right now at $55,000 to $60,000. Either way, you're going to want to get in, because in the next 5 to 10 years, when Bitcoin's worth 100, 200,000, you're going to be like, oh man, I wish I got in when it was 50,000. It's the same thing with gold. You have the chance to get in at 11 bucks now, give or take. Maybe 20, I don't know by the time this video drops. But think, oh man, I wish I got in when it was 20 bucks, less than $40, when the value of gold is $100, $200. You see what I mean? Alright guys, that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments, is gold the gold standard, and something good to invest in? I want to hear your thoughts on gold, if it's a good crypto to invest in. And if you haven't yet, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, because it's super appreciated. Make sure you join the VIP crew by tapping over here to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you super click that bell notification so you're the first to know when I drop the next video. And if you want to see some of my top cryptos to profit with, go ahead and check out that link right there. And if you want to watch one of my next videos, you can watch one of these two right here. I'll see you all in that next video. And always remember, you're just one side hustle away. Take care.